Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can open a bank account with Sofi, so let's get started. First, open your browser on your computer and go to sofi.com. From here, you'll either need to log in to your existing Sofi profile or create a new one. If you already have an account, simply click Continue. If not, click on Get Started. Next, enter your first and last legal name, select your state, and provide your email address. After that, check the required box and click Next. A verification code will be sent to your email, so click on Send Email, retrieve the code, and type it into the verification field. Once you've done that, click Verify Code to proceed. After logging in, navigate to the banking section. Here, you'll need to choose between an individual account or a joint account. Then, provide your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, citizenship status, country of citizenship, and your physical address. You'll also need to enter your social security number or ITIN, phone number, email address, employment status, employer details, and any backup withholding tax information if applicable. Once that's complete, confirm your identity by verifying your phone number and entering the code sent via text. Next, review the legal disclaimers, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Submit to finish your application. Keep in mind, you'll need a valid address, a social security number, a phone number that can receive texts, and a government-issued ID such as a driver's license to verify your identity. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it like and subscribe.